In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Snapchat Ads Pixel on WordPress Easy Tutorial. We'll start on WordPress.com. Make sure you're logged into your account and looking at your site's dashboard. From there, open the Sites area so you can choose the site you want to connect with Snapchat. It's important you have admin access to this site and that WooCommerce is installed, since the Snapchat integration is built for WooCommerce stores. Next, go to Plugins. This is where you'll discover and add new functionality to your site. If you're on WordPress.com, note that plugin access may require a business or commerce plan. If you don't see plugins, double-check your plan or permissions before proceeding. In the plugin directory, use the search bar. First, click into the search field to activate it, then type your query. You're looking for the plugin that adds Snapchat's tracking and product sync, so search for Snapchat Ads Pixel, or simply Snapchat for WooCommerce. Among the results, find the option that says it integrates your WooCommerce store with Snapchat ads to track conversions and export products for advertising. That description tells you you're in the right place. Click into the listing to open the full plugin page. On the plugin page, select Snapchat for WooCommerce. Take a moment to review what it does. Click the Description tab to read the key features, including pixel installation, event tracking, and product catalog sync. This is helpful to understand exactly how your ad performance will be measured and how your products can appear in Snapchat ads. Then click the FAQs tab. Here you'll find answers about compatibility, requirements, and common troubleshooting tips. It's a good quick check to confirm your WooCommerce and WordPress versions are supported before you continue. When you're ready, click Get Started. This begins the WordPress.com setup flow tailored to this plugin. You'll be guided through connecting the plugin to the correct site. You may be prompted to select or confirm a domain. If you need a new domain, click Search Domains and follow the prompts. If you already have a domain you want to use, choose the option that says you already have a domain. This keeps your current address and simply continues the plugin setup for that site. On the domain input screen, confirm the domain you're using for your WooCommerce store. Double-check spelling to avoid configuration issues later, then click Continue. From here, WordPress will complete the initial plugin setup.